welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be doing a Dutch pour and we will be spinning it out. I'm using a wooden canvas. I taped the back and the sides because I want to resin it later. And we will be working on a black base with metallics, gold. I will show you the colors. The colors are mixed acrylic paint, then I use Overtroll and just a little squeeze of Liquitex pouring medium. And my base is a latex binder and wall paint. So super simple. I will guide you through it. So here we have the colors. That's a custom, oh god, it looks like cappuccino, it has metallics in it, and that's the consistency of all my paints. So it leaves a little amount before it sinks in. That's paints gray, black, then also mica pigments. Here we have nickel azo gold or orange of golden, and soils of this little piggy, and then I added also some copper to it and brass. And then here we have my pearl white, and that is Lucas gold, Liquitex gold, golden gold. So for that size of canvas, you probably need around, to cover it with a base, around 450 milliliter. I tried to not stretch it out too much because we want it to slide and spin. So keep it a little bit thicker so paint can slide around nicely. Now we're giving it a torch. Get the air bubbles out. And now I'm thinking my color scheme. I think I will start with this one. I have it a little off center. The gold. A little bit of the black. That's it. Now we blow it out and then spin it.